So you guys, it's literally raining right now. Yeah, you guys cannot see, but my dog is barking. Okay, why are you barking? Stop it. So yeah, I'm sorry, I'm at the window right now, and it's pretty rainy outside, and it's raining hard. Why is my dog is barking at the other dog? Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! That's right. So yeah. So today is a new video, and I don't know what to record. Sorry for my dog barking. He has to quit it, but yeah, you guys. So yeah, I have really nothing to do about it, and talk about. So tomorrow it's my cousin's quince, and I think I'm gonna be doing a video about that, and hopefully I will. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow on the quince. Bye. Just wait for a part 2. This is the part 1. Tomorrow is the part 2. So yeah, see you guys. I'm gonna go to sleep.